Hey guys, it's Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. I have heard from you on email and groups and on my front porch that you're still trying to wrap it up for Christmas. And have I got some help for you? First, I have an online class for your treats and decorating. Look at this gorgeous garland. This is a hand sanitizer box. This tag works well with either peppermint scented candy cane ink pen. You can get those on Amazon. A hot cocoa box, nail file sleeve. This is the Wrap It Up for Christmas class 2021. This class is online only. It's available right now in the Kitchen Table Stamper store. The link is below the video. To find it best, go to kitchentablestamper.com/shop and then sort. It'll say by default, change it to by latest, and it'll be right there on the first page. It's a 5 treat class completely online. It includes PDF instructions, template photos, full color photos, shopping lists, and videos for all 5 projects that you see here, guaranteed to help you wrap it up for Christmas. Just $25. Now, this weekend only, I've got a fun offer for you while supplies last. Also in the Kitchen Table Stamper store, I have the Painted Christmas Stamp-A-Stack card class. These packets are all inclusive, everything you need to make 9 beautiful Christmas cards that coordinate with the Wrap It Up treats. Now, whether you use this year because you need my help, all the die cutting for the labels is done for you. Your cards are cut and scored. The directions are easy and on the blog, and the design is all done. So whether you use it this year, I'll mail them out to you as soon as I get your order, or you use this for next year. If you buy both together in the Kitchen Table Stamper store, while the Painted Christmas Stamp-A-Stack card kits last, pick up a card kit and the online treat class, and I will mail your treats with the class packet. It's a limited offer for this weekend only while supplies last. You can buzz over to kitchentablestamper.com/shop and pick up the class packet for cards and the online treat class. If you got any questions about the class at all, please email Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. I can't wait to see you in the online classroom. Thanks for watching. See you next time.